Conveyor is the only trust portal that lets you securely share documents like your SOC 2 Type 2 with customers, as well as giving those customers an experience where they can get their own questionnaires answered instantly and, most importantly, accurately without having to lift a finger. All of the answers are grounded in content that you make accessible to customers. Conveyor is loved by vendors like Product Board and Teleport because we make their security reviews fast, we help them spend less time on rote work, and we help them build trust with customers. You can set up your own portal in minutes. Let's see how it all works. When setting up your portal, we give you a really easy to use, what you see is what you get editor. It lets you adjust things like your branding, compliance badges, your philosophy, and so much more. Of course, you can host your documents in here, you can organize them into folders, and you can protect them by access groups, which is especially useful for those more secretive documents. You can create a knowledge base of frequent questions and answers and make those accessible to your customers as well. Let's talk about privacy. You can choose how much or how little you want to make accessible to customers publicly. But all of those more sensitive documents will be protected by a one-click NDA and an authorization process. Customers will be directed to sign a one-click NDA just for the portal content, removing the need for red lines and manual back and forth. You can use Salesforce, Slack, or even Conveyor's native approval logic to automatically approve requests to your Trust Center by domain, lead record, and more. There are also standard Trust Center features available, like auto watermarking of documents when a customer downloads it, analytics, and sales-specific features, like searching a knowledge base for a question using Slack or following customer activity. Let's say you still get a questionnaire after you send a customer a Trust Center URL. Easy. Flip over the questionnaire module in the platform like this, and upload your questionnaire for instant AI answers using all the content of your Trust Center as sources. Get started sharing your security posture for free today. Setup takes minutes, so head to the link here.